The man delivering the food scratches his body with the drink, then smells it to see how it smells.
Hi, we can't answer the door right now, but the camera is recording, so please just leave us a message. Thanks for coming by.
A drunk driver crashes into a stranger's car and then drives off without stopping. This female thief stole the packages in front of the house and said thank you.
Then they're going to come out and see. Up in the car. Let me stop. Thank you. That's how good they got.
A man passing by saw a plugged-in Tesla charger and decided to steal it. Worried that the homeowner might see him, the man ran to his car and drove away.
And he's taking it.
The thief tries to check if there's a valuable item inside before stealing the packages. The homeowner, watching through the camera, tries to intervene, but the thief doesn't really care.
Hello? Oh, you just stole my shoes. He just stole my shoes. Literally just stole my shoes.
That's the one to lock the gate.
This man sat in front of a stranger's door for hours, even though it made no sense. The man, who kept trying to force the door open and ignored the homeowner's warnings, was arrested by police. A woman was stalked by a man the whole way home while carrying her pizzas. In a bold and rapid move, the thieves grabbed the parcels outside the house and escaped. She thief, convinced crawling would keep her hidden from the cameras, slithered toward the packages, grabbed them, and fled only to realize too late that she'd been recorded.
Came through the front door yet? I'm coming to the front door.
That night, the man spent a long time trying to convince the woman to open the door. She immediately called the police. When she refused to open up, he decided to break in, but he didn't have the right key. This gang of thieves decided to steal the man's pizzas. One of them grabbed the pizzas he was holding, while the others took the ones from the car and fled.
I gotta get the money first.
I know. Let me see. I'm not doing that.
I gotta get the money first.
Open the pizza.
2 pan pizzas.
No matter how hard the woman tried, the man was determined not to leave. He kept approaching the camera and insisting she had to open the door.
I want your help.
Get out of here. Let's call the cops.
Hey, that's some damn shit in there. You don't want to break in this house. They gonna lay it down. He gonna make sure he gonna come back. He gonna quarter come back, kill your ass. Yeah, this is a big house. There's a flag like that. Yeah.
This man with a flashlight kept coming to the house every evening, threatening to kill them. Fed up, the homeowner finally called the police. The man's goal was to smash the camera and commit the robbery.
Strange.
Oh, man.
I want to commit to a marriage.
How can I help you?
Hey, y'all
How can I help you?
I'm
Hello?
gonna cash a check. Hey,
Hello?
hey. Can you hear me?
How can I help
Can
you?
you hear me? I gotta give me that check.
Hey, yo.
No. Is this a check cash and service? She can't hear you. Show her the check.
Hello, is this a check cash and service?
A naked man kept knocking on the door at 2 a.m. The thief first pretended to look around, then began sorting through the flowers. He set aside his favorites in a separate spot before finally stealing them and sprinting away. The man saw the homeowner step outside as an opportunity and immediately stole the cooler. The thief tried to steal this seemingly abandoned box, little did he know. It belonged to a retired soldier.
Put my back on this porch. Yeah. I saw you when you got out the motherfucking car. You tried to put my back on this porch. You done lost your motherfucking mind. You done come up on my.
Trembling with fear, he quietly placed the package back where he'd found it, then bolted without a second glance.
You see this?
The guy must have had a serious chip craving. He straight up swiped the bag from the doorstep and ghosted. The man managed to pry open the mailbox, stole anything useful inside, and disappeared without a trace.
I apologize. You know what stays right here? You know if it's vacant? Thank you. I understand. I'm pretty sure it's wrong.
He attempted to enter the home, but his efforts were in vain. These car thieves accidentally set off the car alarm. In their panic, they got all tangled up and fled the scene immediately. The drug addict wanted to break into the house, so he tried to figure out if anyone was home.
Hello? What happened?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. Hello?
What happened?
Does somebody stay here?
Yeah, what you need?
I mean, I asked if somebody stay here. I thought the house
What do you
was
mean,
for sale.
No. Yeah, we not selling the house.
You're not selling the house no more?
You mean the house next door, right?
Well, I seen it for sale, so I'm not sure. I thought maybe I can get some information as well.
Nah.
Hey, maybe it's the one next door.
Nah, the house not for sale. All right. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Stay up the stairs.